This is an appeal to especially the youth, and I want you to listen to me carefully. There is something happening in the world today, and most especially I'm speaking to African youth, those in Africa, in Ghana especially. Powerful companies are trying to destroy the future of our youth. And I know a lot of people are going to come in the comment to insult me. I don't care about that. The truth must be told. These multi-million companies are using certain tactics to destroy the life and the prosperous futures of our youth. What am I talking about? I am talking about these giant $1 million sports betting companies that are wreaking havoc on the youth today. Listen to me. If you want to be a millionaire, then you have no business with sport betting. But if you want to be a broke person, if you want to struggle with poverty, then go ahead and bet. Time will not permit me to even tell you about the number of people that, I have referred to therapists, counselors, to help them overcome this betting addiction. A lot are crying. People have used all their semester school fees. People have used money that is supposed to be used for housekeeping. People have used their salaries, and now they are in serious mess. People have used company monies, thousands of them, to go into sports betting because they have been promised that they are going to make it there. It is a deception of the enemy to destroy your future. I don't care what you say, but listen, gambling, betting is not the way to prosperity. Hard work and determination and discipline is the way there. No millionaire became a millionaire through gambling. They all worked hard. They determined. Mark Zuckerberg was determined. He was disciplined. He focused on that single app, and now he's a billionaire. Bill Gates was determined. Even though initially it was difficult, he focused on building Microsoft, and now he's a billionaire. All the billionaires in the world. Look at Jack Bezos. When he started, it was so small. Nobody thought that online business was going to be a thing today. But today they are all billionaires. None of them started with sport betting or gambling, because it will not get you anywhere. So my dear Christian young man, I am begging you in the name of Christ. He has a better plan for you. Focus on your life, your education. Be disciplined. Don't be greedy for quick money. It will lead you to distraction and poverty. Be disciplined. Work hard, and you will get there. You will get there. You will surely get there. But if you keep on gambling, you are going to be addicted. You are going to suffer from compulsive gambling addiction. And that, my dear friend, will be the end of your life. I pray that God will help you through this short message to come out of gambling addiction. Shalom.